In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Power BI. By the end, you'll have the official connector installed in your workspace and be ready to create your first data source that Power BI can use. I'll walk you through each click, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and add a few practical tips so you know exactly why you're doing each step. Start on your Monday.com homepage. From here, look to the top right corner for the product switcher, the small grid icon with 9 dots. That button opens a quick way to navigate across Monday.com products and features. Click it, and then select Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you can safely add vetted apps to extend Monday.com, and it's where we'll find the connector that bridges your boards in Power BI. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Power BI. You'll see several results, but you're looking for Power BI Connector by Tempo. This is the app that enables a structured, secure export of your Monday.com data into Power BI. Click into that listing to open its details page. Here you can review a short description, screenshots, and permission requirements. When you're ready, click Install App. You'll typically be asked to confirm permissions because the app needs access to read data from your boards. Go ahead and click Install to proceed. Next, you'll choose the workspace where you want the connector to live. Select your main or preferred workspace so everyone who needs it can find it easily, then click Add App. After that, you'll see a blue plus button to add the app's item into the workspace. Click that. This places the app's starter item, often a dashboard or onboarding page, right where your team works. Open the Power BI Connector onboarding dashboard that appears. This is a helpful starting point from the app developer, but in this workflow, you'll now clean up the default board so your workspace stays focused on the data source you're about to create. Click the three-dot menu on the right side of the board and choose Delete. Confirming this simply removes the onboarding board. It doesn't uninstall the app you just added. With the workspace tidy, click Connect Boards to get started. This is the core step where you tell the connector which Monday.com board you want to use as your data source. Choose the project or board that contains the data you plan to analyze in Power BI. For example, you might pick a project management board that tracks tasks, owners, statuses, and dates. Once you've made your selection, click Done to confirm. Now, the connector will prompt you to authorize access. Click Authorize. This ensures the app can securely read the board you selected. Authorization is required once per user and app combination, and it's what allows your data to flow correctly from Monday.com to the connector. Finally, click Create your first data source now. This is where you'll define the structure of what Power BI will later pull in. Inside the data source configuration, you'll decide which items, groups, and columns matter, and you can often filter to only include the records you need. Think of a data source as a saved pipeline. It keeps your choices consistent so refreshes and future reports stay aligned with the same logic. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the marketplace or can't install apps, you may need an admin to grant you permission. Choose a workspace that your reporting team can access so they can maintain or review the data source later. Name your data source clearly, using the board name and a short purpose label so it's obvious in Power BI what the connection represents. And remember that data in Monday.com reflects your live operations, so set filters thoughtfully to avoid unintentionally sharing sensitive or irrelevant information. That's it. You've installed the Power BI Connector by Tempo, added it to your workspace, connected a board, authorized the app, and started your first data source. You're now ready to bring that data into Power BI and build insightful reports.